Legless chairs can provide back support and cushioning. Many have additional features, like armrests, cup holders, pockets, and bleacher hooks to secure them in place. Finding the perfect stadium chairs can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best stadium chairs trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Best Budget Coleman Stadium Seat. For budget shoppers, we recommend the Coleman Stadium Seat. Made of water-resistant nylon and foam, without any metal components, it's lighter than most other options we tested. It also rolls up compactly and secures with Velcro straps for easy carrying with the long crossbody strap. While it's not super thick, it still provides some cushioning and back support. We felt totally supported, even when leaning back with our full body weight. We also appreciate that you can adjust the recline with the cinch buckle straps. Since this stadium seat is so lightweight, it doesn't stay up very well when no one is sitting on it. But you also have the option to lay it flat on a bleacher to create a two-person cushion. Coleman backs this product with a 1-year warranty, which is generous considering it's under $20. Number 2. Flash Furniture Grandstand Comfort Seat. Supporting up to 500 pounds, the Flash Furniture Grandstand Seat has the highest weight capacity of all the stadium chairs we tested. But that's not all we like about it. With a 3-inch thick seat cushion and a supportive backrest, it's very comfortable to sit in. At first, it seemed like the aluminum frame may not stay in place on a metal surface. But the attached bleacher hook secures it, and rubber grips prevent it from sliding around. This stadium chair folds down to roughly the size of a briefcase. It's on the heavier side, and without any shoulder straps. The only way to carry it is with the grab handle. Still, we think the grandstand seat a good value based on the durable, comfy design. Number 3. Sport Beast Stadium Seat with Cup Holder. We also like the Sport Beast Stadium Seat. The comfortable design has a thick seat cushion and a padded backrest, though you can't adjust the recline angle. There's also a mesh cup holder that stretches to fit most bottles, cups, or cans. This bleacher chair is easy to fold and unfold. The frame has a grippy base to prevent it from shifting when you sit down, and you can secure it with the 2 bleacher hooks. While it weighs over 6 pounds and isn't the most compact, the padded shoulder strap makes it easy enough to carry. You can also stash the strap in the zippered pocket and tote it around by the grab handle. We also inspected all the features, folded them up, carried them around, and cleaned them according to the manufacturer's instructions. Taking into account portability, weather resistance, size, weight capacity, comfort, and overall value, we narrowed it down to the best stadium seats. Number 4. Best Overall Oniva Ventura Seat. The Oniva Ventura seat stood out for all-around comfort. It has foam cushioning throughout, including a thick seat cushion, padded armrests, and a plush backrest. It offers great back support and can be adjusted to 6 recline angles. Since the armrests limit the seat width, you can invert them to increase it by 5 inches. This is a backpack-style stadium chair, meaning it has shoulder straps for carrying it on your back. It folds out flat instead of into itself, so it's not the most compact. But the straps are padded and adjustable. Plus, carrying it this way evenly distributes the weight, which is ideal for walking longer distances. We found this stadium seat easy to fold, unfold, and adjust. While it doesn't have a bleacher hook, the grippy, water-resistant underside helps it stay in place. And although there's no cup holder, it does have a zippered pocket. Considering the exceptional comfort, versatility, and portability, we think the price is reasonable, and the brand backs it with a lifetime guarantee. Number 5. Sheenev Folding Stadium Seat. If back support is a must-have, consider the Sheenev Stadium Seat. This bleacher chair has a padded backrest with plenty of height. We could sit upright in it without straining our lower backs, and felt like we could fully relax and lean all our weight back. At 380 pounds, the weight capacity is on the higher side for those we tested. We also like that the seat cushion is nearly 3 inches thick. One thing to note is that the backrest is perpendicular to the seat, and you can't adjust the recline. Still, we think it's comfortable enough to sit in for multiple hours that we think the quilted design is appealing and like that there are a handful of neutral colors available. This stadium seat has a cup holder and handy mesh pouches, and you can carry it with the grab handle or padded shoulder strap. Considering the lower than average price tag, it's an excellent value. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.